All right, so just a really quick review of what's going to be on your test. The following will be on your test. The first bullet, solving equations. These are basic level things that you may have been originally taught in 8th grade. 1-step, 2-step, and split variable equations. A little more challenging, the ones that we taught that are going to be at more higher level. You're solving equations with distributing, combining like terms, ones that involve multiple steps, and ones that involve solving proportions. Another topic on your test is going to be translating. So that's the 1-step translating, the 2-step translating. Split variable you shouldn't have, but maybe. We'll see. Literal equations, another topic that we had just gone over. That's lessons 36 and 37. Those are also going to be on your test. And finally, review topics. There will be one question from each of these 3 topics that were older, rational and irrational, evaluating expressions, and multiplying polynomials from Unit 2. All right, so these are your topics. You may want to know this vocabulary down here. Obviously, your operations for keywords, product, sum, difference, quotient, any other translating words that may help you. Literal equations, you need to know maybe what they are. It might help. Inverse operation will be helpful for you because we use those a lot when we're solving equations. Understanding what the word distribute means and what a split variable equation is may help you in solving it. All right, now we're going to head on to the level 1 questions for the review. Okay, here we go. So question 1, level 1, solving an equation using multiple choice strategies. You can solve this equation. It's a 2-step equation, but instead you may want to use the choices to help you. I'm going to start off by plugging in the first choice, substituting in k for -2. I get 38, so choice 1's not it. Moving on, 48 plus 5 times my next answer I'm plugging in is -1. Nope, still not it. Okay, moving on. Next one. Again, it takes a little bit of time, and it might actually take you, nope, not 3. It might take you longer than actually solving. So that's a choice you might have to think about too. Is it going to take me longer to plug everything in? Oh, there we go. Final answer is 2. But again, in order to solve this, I would have had to subtract on both sides. 5k equals 10. Divide both sides by 5. K equals 2. Hey, look at that. Same answer. So again, you can use the choices to help you. You can also solve. All right, next question is solving a 1-step literal equation. So I have to solve for z. Here is z. I have to get z by itself, which means I need to get rid of this plus d. I'm going to use my inverse operations to do that. So I'm going to subtract d on both sides. Z is now by itself, which is what I wanted to happen. But since these are not like terms, I'm just simply going to rewrite it. A minus d equals z. Done and done. Again, I'm going to go rather quickly on these, so if you need to pause, slow me down on the YouTube video, or replay, go right ahead. All right, moving on. These questions down here are just about matching the keywords to their operation. So I'm going to go through these really quickly. Product is multiplying. Difference is subtracting. Sum is adding. And quotient is dividing. You should know those keywords and what operations they go with, as well as other keywords for these key operations. All right, next question. Translating an equation given multiple choices. So I'm looking for one of these equations should represent twice a number plus 7 is 23. I see a lot of 2s, a lot of 7s, a lot of 23s, but only one of them is twice a number plus 7 is 23. So twice a number, we know that means timesing by 2, plus 7, and then the is means equals. So twice a number, this one does not have a number in it, so 1's out. 2, twice a number plus 7 is 23. That one's pretty good. Twice a number does not mean 2 plus, so that's out. Twice does not mean divide, so my choice is choice 2. All right, and that's it for part 1. Part 2 is in the next video, so please watch it to go over the next level's questions.